Welcome back to 50 Car. It doesn't tiptoe into the room, it dominates it. The 2026 BMW X7 is a machine built not just to transport, but to impress, intimidate, and inspire. Towering in stature and rich in technology, this full-size luxury SUV mixes aristocratic charm with unshakable muscle. It's not subtle, but that's the point. Main features. BMW's 2026 X7 blends three-row comfort with fierce performance. With refreshed styling, advanced iDrive 9, and mild hybrid tech across all trims, the X7 offers an electrified soul inside a steel giant. The iDrive 40i starts strong, but the M60i with its V8 grunt remains the crown jewel. Exterior design. Up front, the X7 flashes its oversized kidney grills with pride. Now with illuminated surround, love it or loathe it, it owns its space. Slimmed adaptive LED split headlights slice through darkness with elegance. A tall, upright stance carries bold fender flares and deep body creases, leading to sleek 3D LED taillights and twin trapezoidal exhausts. Pros: bold, majestic, unmistakably BMW. Cons: not for those who like subtlety. Rear design remains polarizing. Interior and dashboard design. Inside is a lounge on wheels. Premium merino leather, open-pore wood, and Swarovski crystal accents elevate the cabin. The curved 14.9-inch infotainment and 12.3-inch digital cluster create a floating tech panel, running iDrive 9 with voice, gesture, and remote functionality. Second-row captain's chairs, 5-zone climate control, and a panoramic sky lounge roof complete the experience. Pros: lavish, tech-rich, extremely comfortable. Cons: touch-heavy interface can distract while driving, third row tighter than some rivals. Performance. The iDrive 40i's 3.0L turbo inline-6 pushes 375 horsepower, hitting 0-60 in 5.6 seconds. The M60i's 523 horsepower V8 thunders from 0-60 in just 4.5. An 8-speed automatic and standard xDrive AWD deliver smooth shifts and rock-steady traction. Air suspension absorbs potholes like silk, yet keeps body roll in check. Pros: ferocious power, sublime ride, confident handling. Cons: V8 drinks fuel. Hybrid systems are complex and costly to repair after warranty. Market positioning. Starting at around $83,000 and soaring beyond $115,000, the X7 competes with the Mercedes GLS, Cadillac Escalade, and Range Rover. Its ideal buyer? Aged 40, 70, craving status, refinement, and power in equal measure. It's less about utility, more about commanding respect in every lane. Additional features. Top options include executive lounge seating, Bowers & Wilkins diamond audio, soft closed doors, and remote control parking. Warranty: for years, 50,000 miles, with optional extended coverage. Accessories worth considering: cargo organizer, roof box, and BMW wall box charger for hybrids.